The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, trip computer, MP3 player. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.